Hi, so today I'm going to do a quick demo of a mobile app I'm working on. The mobile app is called My Credit Score. That is going to be for users to be able to check their credit score or credit report, and also for lenders to be able to run credit checks on the customers who want to borrow some money or want to buy something on credit. So the idea is very simple, and I'm just going to reload the app. So I'm currently prototyping this app on HackRP. That's my dedicated prototyping tools. So now, once we load the app, I'm showing two screens. The one on the left is going to represent the lender, and the one on the right is going to represent the customer. So once I load the app, once you download the app and you open the app for the first time, you go through the onboarding. It shows you these three screens and you can get started. Same for each user as well, you get started. So what you get from here is you get this landing screen, and this landing screen asks you how you describe yourself. So if you are the lender, you click lender, you press lender, and if you are the borrower, you press borrower. Each takes them through a short sign-up form. They just need to enter their phone number. Then we will send a verification code, and they will be able to verify their verification code. So the lender here has verified their verification code, and the customer has verified also their verification code. So they both land on different startup screen. Now, the screen for the lender will show two buttons with some information and the menu. The lender can run a credit check, and they can also record credit updates. So, for example, before a lender decides to loan or borrow someone any credit, money, or product, they need to run a credit check, and also they can record the update of what has happened so far. But for today, I'm just going to demo the run credit aspects of the lender. So to run a credit check, the only thing you need to do is just to press the button, enter the user first name, last, middle name, some few details, and you can just 3 pages of screen, and you run the credit report. So once you've run the credit check, the lender see the customer's snapshot of the credit score. They can see like a score out of over 900, and they can see summary. If the lender want to view the detailed credit report, then they will be able to view that here by pressing on this button. They can view the specific borrower as well to drill down on how the person is doing in terms of how they are making payment, regular payment, or making late payments, so they can make an informed decision. For the lender, they will also be able to see an application. They will be able to post deals and offers and notification and update their profile. But let me just move on to the borrower aspect. The borrower has created their account, they've logged in, and they've not been able to see their credit score yet. So we present them with this screen which says, want to know your own credit score? And they can start with their credit score. The first information we'll get will be their BVN. It's to verify their identity with their financial information, which is the bank account. And once they get that information, we'll be able to have their first name, last name, date of birth, and just address. And it is recommended that the user provide at least 6 years previous experience, previous address, and they will be able to complete that. Once we have that basic information, the system automatically generates a credit score for them based on the information they've been able to provide. Now, what the user needs to look at is the user can actually do two things. They can improve on their credit score, and they can see deals and offers that is tailored based on their credit score. They can also make an application for new credit. They can view their main credit reports. This is going to be a PDF document that will be generated, and they can see the detailed information, and they'll be able to see notification if anything changes on their credit score or their report, and they'll be able to view their profile. So at the moment, we can say improve your credit score, so they improve their credit score, and we have series of information that we're going to use to improve the user's the customer's credit score. So they enter their work and income, monthly expenses, their cash. If they have any assets, they'll be able to do that. They can add more assets if they want, and they can continue if they don't have anything anymore. Once they've been able to do that, they can complete that information. Once the information has been taken into consideration, there will be a new credit score that will be generated for them, and they will have that. Another thing they can do is to view deals and offers. So they can view the specific deals that is being here, or they could view all deals here as well, or they could go back home and they could view specific deals. So this shows the lender, it shows the credit deals, the types of deals. So this is an appliance, for example, and it shows what the required minimum score set by the lender on this deal. So the customer can look at it and say, well, if I'm happy with this, let me apply for credit, and they apply for the credit. If it is approved, they get a green check. If it's not approved, they'll get a red check mark here. Now, this is a pre-approved application, and what happened is that the information goes to the lender that has made that deals and offers available, and the lender can look at the application and say, okay, this applicant make this application to get these credit deals. The lender can view the application credit report. They can view the name. So if they want to know more about the customer, the lender can just press this button, and the lender can decide either to accept or to reject. Once they reject or accept, the notification is sent to the user as well in this screen on the right hand side. Now, for the user, for the lender, the way they can put their deals on is they can go home and press deals and offers, and they'll be able to see all the deals they have, and they can add new deals that they want to make available for borrowers. Now they'll be able to put little information there, and they'll be able to set the minimum score, the credit amount, the interest rate, the monthly repayment, the repayment duration, any additional details, and they can include the image and video of the product, and they add that information. Once that is being added, that is what enables the user, the customer, to be able to see the offers based on their score here. Now they will be both lender and customer can view their profile, and for the lender, they will be able to view they'll be able to update their number, their CAC registration, about them, and they'll be able to view contact information and security, similar to what the customer is able to do as well. But the difference is they are not entering anything like company registration. They're just entering their BVN, phone number, and contact security. They can change their photo here as well. Both user can change their photos, and also both user the lender and the borrower can go to the settings. They can see push notification, and they'll be able to see contact us, which they can make a contact and send that information to the system. So this is a short tutorial. The project is not fully complete yet, but this is a snapshot of what we're going to be working on. And if you have any question about this demo, you can send me your comment and I'll be glad to respond back. Thank you very much. Bye for now.